Hi, Brian and David here from BUGWASH Property. We're going to talk a little bit about tax deductions, and I believe you've got a story you want to share with us, David.
Yeah, you've got a good story, Brian. A lot of clients, a lot of landlords don't realise how important a part that tax deductions play in the cash flow of their operation. So I had an example recently where a client rang up and said, David, just letting you know, we've had enough. We've got 6 properties, they're costing us $24,000 a year to own, to hang on to, and it's too hard and we want to sell everything. And I said, well, are you absolutely sure that they're costing you $24,000 a year? Yeah, absolutely. So I said, so just out of interest, how much was your last tax deduction, or when you got your tax deductions back? And they said, well, it was $23,000. Well, I said, well, what happened to that? And they said, oh, well, we went to Europe. So the properties, it turns out the properties were actually costing them $1,000 a year to hold, not 24. But what a lot of clients do is they skimp and they whinge about how much their properties are costing them per year to hold. And when the tax deduction comes in, they go for a holiday and they talk about how bad their properties are. So it's really, really important to understand that it's a money in, money out thing. The money in is rent plus tax deductions. So you've got to take those tax deductions and put them back in to your investment property portfolio bank account, because you wouldn't have those deductions without the properties. And you can actually go one step further. If you're in a PAYG situation, you can do what's called a tax variation, where you can actually get your tax deductions weekly or fortnightly, whenever you get paid, which helps massively with your cash flow along the way. So I encourage you, if you can, get yourself a tax variation done and get your tax benefits weekly, and you'll get charged less tax along the way. Don't go and spend that money, but put it into your investment property bank account. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.